Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I am going to show you the demo Power Automate one trigger action, which is the when a new response is submitted in the Microsoft form, then send the confirmation email like your form is submit successfully on the Outlook. So let's deep dive. So here you can see, I just opened the Power Automate and here I created the one flow which is name it when the form is submitted, send an email. Then here you can see that I just took the trigger and a new response is submitted. And then here I just took the parameter form ID, which is the form registration form which I have created. I just took it. Then select the get response detail action, and this create response detail action. I select the form ID, which is the registration form, and then select the response ID here. Then the next step in the flow, I took the compose action, and in a compose action input, I put the HTML table code. Here I want to show the my uh, output in a email in table format. So I took this HTML table code and I put here the dynamic value, first name, last name, email and role. Then last step of this flow, I took the send and email action and the two section where I want to uh, send my confirmation email. So I put that user email, and in subject section I put the subject and body. I want to display that confirmation messages. I write the confirmation message, which is the a new form has been submitted, and please check the detail. And there I just put the output, which is the table format. Now, before the test this flow, I show you the registration form which I have created in Microsoft form. This is the registration form. The um, which field I use in this registration form, which is the first is the first name, which is the type text, then last name, email, and a role. Role is the basically choice type field. This is the basic form which I want to use for the test this flow. Before the submit any response into the Power Automate Pro, I just show you my Outlook inbox. Here you can see there is no any email regarding about the Power Automate Pro not arrival now. So let's test that first, and then I go to the my Power Automate and I just click on the test, and then here I select that manual option and click on the test button. Now here you can see the to see it work now, submitting the new response to selected form. So I just go back to the registration form and I just select the first name John, then last name Smith. Here I put the email John Smith 123 and delete gmail.com. Then I select row and click on the submit button. Now here you can see your response was submit. Then go back to the your flow. Here you can see your flow run successfully. Everything run successfully. Then check the confirmation email is arrive in the Outlook or not. Let's go back to the Outlook. Then here you can see that the confirmation email is arrive in the Outlook. So this is the very basic use of the Power Automate when someone submit the new registration form or the Microsoft form, then they want to the send the confirmation email also on the Outlook. Then we can use this basic use case of this Power Automate. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel